of air, it all came down. So let's rewind for the story of Minor Town. Rawdon Canary, tally number 276, stolen cakes, small injustices, 350 meters underground, descending in a cage, kept locked up for an age. From the sky to the mine, a blast of air, it all came down. So let's rewind for the story of Minor Town. Jamie Stewart was a young man who made us cry. He was on his first shift the day he died. 350 meters underground, descending in a cage, kept locked up for an age. From the sky to the mine, a blast of air, it all came down. So let's rewind for the story of Minor Town. If we stop singing, there are dangerous gases like carbon monoxide around. If we stop singing, our fragile voices wouldn't make a sound. Underground, descending in a cage, kept lost.